Welcome back, my people. Welcome back to the Rights Cooking channel. Today we're gonna do shrimp and we're gonna do fried rice for dinner. We all gonna eat, we all gonna enjoy it. Okay, let's get started, guys. Okay, guys, this is our sweet pepper and this is our onion, so we're all gonna put it in. Okay, guys, this is our carrot. We're just gonna let this fry out a little bit, cook a little bit.
And let it get tender, and we'll be back.
This is what it looks like, guys, and this is the coconut milk. We're gonna do some curry shrimp today with the fried rice. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pour my coconut milk. And I'm gonna make this cook down for at least 4 to 5 minutes, guys. Okay, guys, this is my mild curry powder. I'm gonna put a little curry powder in it. And now I'm gonna stir it. Oh, look at it. It is so nice, guys. Woo! Now I'm gonna turn on my stove a little to half. Now I'm gonna add my seasoning. This is all my seasoning up here. A half a teaspoon of everything. And now I'm going to stir again, guys. We're back. Okay, guys, now we are back. I'm just going to add a little bit of water to this. A half a cup of water. And I'm gonna stir it around. Okay, guys, now this is our shrimp. It's all seasoned up, everything. We're gonna add it to the pot. And we're gonna give this 4 to 5 minutes to cook down.
No more than that, because you don't want your shrimp to be tough. We'll be back. Okay, we're checking on our shrimp, curry shrimp, and this is what it looks like. And it's almost ready.
Okay, guys, we are back. And this is what it look like. It's ready. We don't want it to overcook because it will get too tough. And this is what the curry shrimp look like.
Okay, I added 1 tablespoon of oil, and now we have added the fried rice to our pan. We're just gonna stir it around. Once we get it all stirred around, Once we get it all stirred around, we're gonna cover it for 4 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, here's the fried rice. It's done steaming and it looks so delicious. It also tastes delicious. It has chicken in it. It's good. And here's the delicious shrimp that my husband made. Oh my God. And we did cook some extra white rice. And that's delicious. Okay guys, this is our meal plated up. This is our fried rice, our curry shrimp, and we're gonna drink carrot juice, and I'm gonna have lemonade. And this is my husband's plate. And
okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe link, and we see you again later.
bye-bye.